Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. We're just going to do a little bit of an update on one of these programs that we created a couple of videos back. This is a Pandas basically data chart. So what I've done is I've imported Pandas as PD. If you don't already have this module, you'll have to install it through pip. Right. So what we've done here, we've created a function update data while true, and we've got the name here and we've assigned that to input, so the user will enter the name or exit. So if the name is equal to exit, we break from the program, or else we carry on. We ask the user their age, so the user enters in their age. We've got the variable job here assigned to input, so the user enters in their job. And then what we do is we append the name, the age, and the job here into the data frame. And then we create a variable called df, which is short for data frame, and we assign it to PD, which is Pandas data frame here, and we add data on here, which is the data dictionary. And then what we do is we print out the data frame. Right, we're going to add a little bit more functionality to this. We're going to do a search data. Now I've already created the function called search data, and I put pass in here because I've not done any work on it yet. So I'm going to start now. So I'm going to create a variable called search. I'm going to assign that to input, which will grab the user input. Then I'm going to tell the user to enter name, age, or job. Okay, and then I'm going to create another variable called all values, because we're going to search for all values in here. I'm going to assign that to sum, and then data dot values. Okay. So we're going to search for all values. So any value we enter in there, we can search for. Right. We're going to go on to the search part now, and we need to evaluate it using a conditional if. So if search in all values, we're going to print out using f string here the result. So search found, else print, use the f string again, search not found. Right, so when we call it by update data, and then underneath here, once it's finished, it'll also call search data. Okay, so let's run the program. Okay, so there we have enter name or exit. So I'm going to enter a name, Dave, age 78, enter a job, teacher. Okay, enter a name, Bill, 89, Oscar. Okay, let's just shrink this down a little bit. Okay, and we'll do another one, Peter. That's there. 99. Joiner. He should be retired by now, but that's beside the point. Okay, so there we go. We've got the name, age, and job here, so it's created the data table for us. Now I'm going to type in exit here. and it's going to take us onto the other function. So it says enter name, age, or job. So I'm going to enter teacher. Teacher found. Okay, so we're going to run this again. Just going to do it simply this time. So I'm going to put, let's say, Peter 99 bus driver. I wonder if he's still got a license. Okay, so we've got that. So I'm just going to type in something that's not in there, like a name like Mark. Okay. Oh, no, sorry. We'll just add another entry here. I'm going to say joiner. Okay. So we need to exit it first. Okay, so we've got our data table. Let's just exit it. Go into the next function. Okay, so I'm just going to type in something like Paul. Paul not found. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. And I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.